Hey, what's up guys? Good afternoon. Your boy's back over here, Henry Dexter. We're here at Sean's house. Today, we just fixed a little issue on the suspension, but everything is already fixed. Well, this is my vlog number 2. We're about to do oil change on my car here in his place. So stay tuned. Be back later. Alright, peace out. Yeah, just love that sound. Right here, NASA 3.0. Just love that sound. Yeah, sun, man. Sun is so high. Alright, see that Sean? Sean is walking to his car right now. He's about to back out so that I can do my oil change on my car. She's right there. Right there. You wanna, how you want it? Yeah. That from here, right? Yeah. Alright, I'll do that. That should be okay. Hold on. Huh?
Whichever way you feel better for your camera.
What do you mean?
How you want to record forward or
Oh,
back?
no, yeah, forward doesn't matter. Come no food? Why do you have another fender? Where did you get the fender?
Lewis gave those to me a long time ago.
Oh, because he changed to carbon fiber.
Yeah. Your wheel came off the ground too. It was
Yeah,
spinning.
I know.
Then traction control starts hitting it.
Yeah. Oh shit. Now. Alright, we're about to do oil change. It's my number 2 blog. I did a blog yesterday. So
Yeah.
like review.
Oh, you did? Your
Yeah.
car?
Yeah. 5 things I love about my car. About to start this thing. Let's see where this one brings me. I'll be like that dude in the blue.
Right, you never know.
You never know.
Somewhere.
You know, Filipino version. Right. You gotta start somewhere. Man, I feel like I just hit my whole chest.
You're driving too much.
Yeah, I didn't notice it until you told me. Like, oh man.
No, I was thinking, like,
Alright,
you just did
come back later.
doing one again.
And I said I did my oil change outside.
Yeah, nothing. Now you can jack up your cars.
I'm surprised.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm surprised.
You know someone that's a dealer?
What?
Well, I probably would do the same. But that's
Yeah, I mean, look at
What's the blame?
You make sure, you know, the... I was like, man, this thing's expensive. I don't want, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's no... And then, I think if there's somebody that, because that car...
Too, right?
Yeah,
She
shit.
go hold the spot for us.
Yeah. The Civics,
Yeah.
they have it. Like, the whole thing is covered.
Cover all of this stuff right here.
I don't know if it's the low, like, you know, I'm still... Shit is so high.
What's that?
Boom. Alright, we testing the car. Start the car. See, the pressure is good. So the pressure is what? Because it's already hot? It's around 80, right?
Yep, that's cold too. When it warms up, you drive, you idle after, it's down to about 40.
Yeah.
Right? Yep. Cruising about 70, 82.
Yeah, yeah.
Full throttle like 120.
Uh-huh.
Yep. It's good. You scared me that one time.
But the fuel pressure, because I remember it didn't start like when I supposed to go to Orlando, it didn't start for 30 minutes. I was scared. I was like, I didn't hear the fuel pump.
Huh.
Yeah.
You think it was a fuse?
No, it wasn't the fuse. I didn't touch it. I didn't replace
What was
anything.
it?
Probably one of the wires got, because it got pinched or something on the rear seats. Because I put the tent
top of the seat.
on top of the seat. I moved that one, it starts. I almost cried because, you know, that's the, yeah, I'm not gonna make it. See that, right now it's steady, right?
Yeah.
It's steady, but like, and then after a while, like, whoa, 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 whoa.
It tried to catch itself. The Maybach does that.
Huh?
The Maybach will do that. If it starts going like too lean, it'll start giving it gas.
Yeah.
If you give it too much gas, it'll take away and it'll try to fight itself to find that good spot.
This is the only thing, like, wow, it go down. Like, I don't know if it's reading right or. It bounced too much.
Yeah, it goes out of place.
It's like that on idle. But if I'm drive, it's bouncing between 14 to 15. You know. Now if I give gas, then it goes to 12 to 10.
Yeah. You're on E10?
Yeah.
Are you putting any more 85 in here or no?
No,
No?
not because I haven't. I'll wait until like maybe summer.
need it.
Cause I'm traveling.
Yeah.
You know.
Makes no sense.
Yeah, make no. Yeah. That's good though. All right, that concludes our oil change. Man, I don't know how to do this shit, but yeah, that's it. That's the vlog number 2 for me. Stay tuned. Follow my YouTube. Alright? And follow my Instagram. Yeah. Sign out here. Peace out.